Hello, English 3U. This is your amazing teacher. And now that you've watched the video on how to dissect media and you've become a bit more aware of what it actually means to dissect the message given by media and what media literacy is, I'm going to show you now how to use the tools that you're going to need to put this project together. So as you know, by looking on the outline for the assignment, you're going to need to create a website and upload several things to that website. And all of your things need to be in one place so that they're easy to access and many other people can look at them, and hopefully we can influence others as well as ourselves. So the first thing we need to do is figure out how to create a site. So of course we're going to be using Google, and I'm here, as you can see, in my regular Google Drive, as you all know. And to get to Google Sites, just as if we want to get to any other tool, we go up to the square in the top right corner, and Sites is usually one of the first ones, and if it's not, you can click More and it'll be there. And when we go to Google Sites, it's a very simple page here, and your group is just going to want to hit Create. And now you have two options when you create. You can choose a template, a pre-created template, and there are some very nice templates, but if you do choose this, then you have to delete all of the items that are already on the page, which takes a while. It's not a problem. Or you can simply select a theme and you'll be given a blank website with a theme. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and what I'll do is I'll just go with Terra Rock, because why not? And you can minimize that. And what I want every group to do for this project is just name their site Media Awareness. And once you've done that, you can click Create. It just takes a second to create. So every group, once they create their site, should share the link with me so that you're able to upload your weekly journals, and I can track your progress, and we can work together to make sure that everything's getting done. And apparently these have been used. So what you need to do is, if it is being used, just give it a number like 2, 3, or 4. And number 3 is available. So here is the blank slate for your website. It's very bland, but that's fine. We're not trying to create amazing websites, we're trying to create amazing work. So once you've created your website, you'll want to share it with your whole group. So you, in the top right corner here, you click Share, and then you type in your group members' names. So for example, I can type in my colleagues' names here, and you don't want them to just be able to edit, you want everyone to be owners. So you click on Is Owner, and then they're able to manipulate the website as well. And share and save, and you can notify them by email that you've done that. Once that's done, just go back to your website here. So now that you've shared and made all of your group members owners, you can all begin editing and uploading to your site. So the first thing I want to show you how to do is to create a new page, because you don't just want everything on one page, you want it to be organized in several different pages, so that we know where to find certain items. So right now the default setup has the links on the left hand side. You can keep it like that, or you can move it along the top horizontally, which is what I like to do. So to edit this, you can click on More and Edit Site Layout, and you can remove sidebar and put horizontal navigation. and then you'll have your links available here. So we have only one page, which is home, of course. So we'll close this. And to add new pages, you guessed it, you click on the plus page button here. So we can add many pages. So as you can see on the outline for this assignment, you have 5 things that you'll need to upload to your website. So one of them being weekly journals. And what I do want every group to do is to also briefly introduce the group members on a page. So the first page can be something like our group, but you need a page that has your names and a brief description about you. And then you leave the template as web page. So we'll create this, and now you have a page called our group, but it does not have a link yet. And of course, so you can write, for example, your name. So my name is Matthew, and then just a short description about you. And what we need to do now is create a link or button for this page. So we'll save it, and then we'll go back to our edit site layout, and here we want to click on edit horizontal navigation, and we're going to add a page. And here is our group, so you click on that and click OK, and now it will pop up here. So that's one tab you want. You can have a home tab. You do not need a home tab, but I'll keep it there for now. So as I said, you're also going to need a page where you can upload your weekly journals, as well as pages to upload your dissection, your summary of dissection, and your video of the dissection of media. So I'll show you how to create a page and upload your journal entries, as well as how to upload a video so that you'll know how to do that. So click on close. So if I add a page for weekly journals, the title will simply be weekly journals or weekly journal entries, something like that is fine. Create. So, and then of course again we want to create a button for our page, so we click more, edit site layout, and add page, weekly journals. As I have informed you, I've shared with you on Google Drive the weekly journals that you need to fill in. So what you're going to do is fill in the weekly journal as a Google Doc and upload that doc to your website. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. So we're on our page here. We click close, and to upload something to this page, we want to click on this edit button here. So we're only editing this page, and then you'll click insert, and what we want to insert is a Google Doc. So you can go to Drive, Document, and it's going to let you find the document on your drive. So I have here the student journal entries. You'll click on it and you'll click select, and you can have a border if you want. So now that it has uploaded, you will not see the actual writing until you click save. So here is the document. So on this page you're going to upload a completed Google Doc of these journal entries each week. And to add another one, you'll simply do the same thing, edit page, insert, and you'll add another document, and it will position it directly below the first one. So it is as easy as that. So you'll have a page for your Google Docs, and your page, your written summary of your dissection is going to be simply writing into the website itself. So if I go back to our group, as I showed you before, you just click Edit Page, and you can write directly in the text box of the page. The written summary you can do that way. You can, if you'd like, create your written summary on a Google Doc and upload it to the website just as I did the journal entry. So now that we've done that, I'll quickly show you how to upload or embed a video to your website. So I'll create a separate page, and it will be called Video of Dissection of Media. And again, we're going to create a link for our page, edit horizontal navigation, add page, Video of Dissection of Media. And you can rearrange the order of these just by clicking the arrows, whatever you want first or last. Okay, so we have video of our dissection of media. When you create a video, you can upload it to YouTube and embed the YouTube video on your website, or you can upload the video directly. And to do that, we'll click Edit Page, Insert, so when you create your video, you can upload your video to Google Drive and then embed the video directly from Google Drive to your website. I don't have any videos in my Drive, so I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video. So, to embed a YouTube video, go to YouTube. And you'll simply copy and paste the URL of your video into this box here. So I'm going to find a video on YouTube about media dissection, just as I've done on my website for this project, you're going to do on your website. So here is media dissection. So I'll copy, Control C on this link here. I'll go back, to my website. Here it is, and I'll Control V directly into the box. And you can include a border, and you can change the title to whatever you want. And it's going to embed the video directly into your website. And you can position it, if you'd like, in the middle. Save. So that's what you're required to upload to your website. For the additional things you need to upload, simply look at the checklist or the outline for the assignment. And if you have any questions, of course I'll be there in class to answer them. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys discover about media literacy and what it means to read behind the lines. Thanks for listening.